Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. They here since morning. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. The baby crying loudly. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. ITV when she called. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. It rained today. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. This is the boy won the race. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. I don't know to go. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. He is taller his brother. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. She sings than me. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. I bought apples from the market. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. They playing for 2 hours. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. The book is the table. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. He speaks English fluently. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. Would you mind the window? Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. He enjoys football. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. They made him. Option C is the correct answer.